In this video, I'll guide you through how to add flagged emails to Microsoft To Do. By the end, your important emails in Outlook will automatically show up as tasks in Microsoft To Do, so you can track and complete them just like any other item on your list. First, open Microsoft To Do. You can do this on the desktop app, the web version in your browser, or the mobile app on your phone or tablet. And the steps are essentially the same, so use whichever version you're most comfortable with. Just make sure you're signed in with the same account you use for your email so everything can sync correctly. Once Microsoft To Do is open, look toward the top left corner of the screen for your profile area. This usually appears as either your name, your initials in a small circle, or a profile icon. Click or tap that profile icon to open the account menu. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and select Settings to open the main settings page for Microsoft To Do. The settings page may contain several sections, so take a moment to scroll through until you find the section labeled Connected Apps. This is where Microsoft To Do can link to other Microsoft services and bring information in automatically. If you don't see it right away, just keep scrolling down until the Connected Apps heading appears. Within the Connected Apps section, look for an option called Flagged Email. This is the setting that controls whether flagged messages from your Outlook inbox appear as tasks in Microsoft To Do. Next to flagged email, you'll see a switch or toggle. If it's currently off, tap or click it once to turn it on. When the toggle is on, it's usually highlighted or changes color to show that it's active. Once you've turned flagged email on, Microsoft To Do will automatically create a special list for you. This list is called Flagged Email, and it should now appear in your sidebar along with your other lists such as tasks or any custom lists you've created. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment to sync or try closing and reopening the app or refreshing the web page. Now, whenever you flag an email in Outlook, that email will appear as a task inside the flagged email list in Microsoft To Do. The subject line of the email becomes the task name, and you can open it just like any other task. From there, you can add due dates, reminders, or move it to another list if you prefer to organize it differently. This setup is especially helpful if you rely on email flags to mark items that need follow-up. Instead of losing track of those flagged messages in a crowded inbox, they'll all be collected in one place inside To Do, right alongside your regular tasks. That's all you need to do. Open Microsoft To Do, go into Settings, find Connected Apps, turn on Flagged Email, and then use the new Flagged Email list that appears in your sidebar. Once it's enabled, the process is automatic, so you can focus on getting things done rather than manually copying emails into your task list.